Now, for the bullet connector, I think what I'm going to do is just put some flux in there, try and get a nice bead of solder in the inside there. Heat it up. There we go. These wires come pre-tin, but on the ESC, at least mine did. But I'm going to put a little extra solder on there anyway, because I actually cut the plastic or rubber around the wire, cut it back some because I like more wire to work with. There we go. Clean off my soldering iron. It's starting to get a bunch of crap on it. And the ESC came with its own shrink tube as well, so we'll just slide those over the wires. I'm going to do all of them right away. Just so I don't forget to put them on there. Alright, now to get the wire inside there, I'm just going to heat it up and push down. That seemed to work pretty well. Can't pull that wire out. Looks like it's got a good connection. That one's done. Now that's going to be hot, so I'm going to put that one off to the side. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-tin all these wires here. A little more than what they currently are. Need a little more flux on there. It's starting to stick to my soldering iron instead of the wire. There we go. Again, try and get some flux down in there. Hold it there for a second. And we're good to go. I got it a little messy. I got some solder on the side. So I'm just gonna try and get that off. Or at least move it down to the base some. There we go. Doesn't have to be pretty. still somewhat hot. And there we go. We now have all our pins soldered onto our connector. Like I said, it's not pretty, but it'll work. Nothing wrong with it. And then same for the bullet connectors. The bullet connectors, you actually kind of want to try and cover the whole thing. So yeah, that's what you want to do for those, is just cover up your entire pin with it. Because that'll just, your motor will actually just plug right into there, and you don't want these touching each other in any way, shape, or form. And again, just heat it up. Doesn't take much. I'll probably come back over this with a lighter later. There we go. Our ESC is now done. We got our DINs on one end and our bullet pins on the other.